Nana silang duha guys. Ang akong pinaka Where have you been, Izzy? Oh, Dada. It's nice, babe.
Yeah.
Wow, look what he got. Let me see.
Get out of it.
Oh my God, look at this. It's very cute. Huh? The small.
Yeah.
Very small.
Yeah, but you'll be able to see it. That's what you want, is a small.
Yeah.
And if it's flat, you know, it doesn't stick up like this up your nose. It doesn't stick up.
It's gonna be cost how much? 200.
Yeah, it was 100. Oh yeah, tax and everything probably came to about 200.
Yay! Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Where are you going, Z? Bye bye. So guys, after 15 years sa akong Arios, guys, look. Asa sila pa do sa fine jewelry. Kaon nila ako ang earrings ay aritos sa ilong, guys. So after 15 years sa tag 10 pesos ako ang Arios sa una, kay way back sa Pinas pa ko mag maintainel region ko tag 20 pesos nga Arios sa ilong niya. Kay pag-abot ako din sa Amerika, guys, after pila na ko katuig dire, mag 4 years na ko, guys. Ikapoy na akong banag, dinantaw sa ko ang ilong kay mulagom man. Mulagom ang Arios ba. So he decided na kuan palitan ko niya Arios. So it's diamond gold. So lipay kaayo ko nya kay wala man ko ilis, nara ko sakyanan sila randuhan ni kuha. Oh my God, excited kay ko, guys, as in. So I'm gonna take a video, so I have a content, guys. Char lang, guys, pero mao na to siya, guys. Palitan ko niya Arios nga kuan, Arios akong ilong. Tinuod nga Arios na jud, dili tag Jason. Excited and peg. So I'm gonna take a video later.